Hello and welcome, and in this video I am going to be unboxing and taking a look at the TARKAN universal bike mount silicone mobile holder. So this is basically for those of you who like to cycle. This will fit on your motorbike also probably, and you want to place your mobile phone. Okay, and let's see what other information we got. So it's made out of silicone. It has a 360-degree rotating handlebar stand for bicycle, motorcycle, scooty. It fits all smartphones, so it's for your cycle, it's for your motorcycle, it's for your scooty. Okay, it can rotate complete 360 degrees. I'll just show you that. And it says a flexible silicone design. Okay, so let's just go ahead and open this up, take a look at it. So I'll try to cut it carefully so that I can reuse this. Okay, there we go. So got that open and take that out. At the back it says TARKAN bring to you a new horizon for protecting and presenting your favorite gadgets. Okay, alright, so there's a lot of stuff at the back. So this is the holder itself. So there you go, mobile phone holder made out of silicone, as you can see. So this part, this would obviously go around your handlebar and it would strap in, and there are different settings for that. Okay, and for your mobile phone, well, you take it and you place it like this by the looks of it. How does it go? Does it go like this? No, it would go like this. So this is all silicone and it basically stretches. So there you go. That's how you can put your mobile phone on top, and I'll stretch it down to the bottom. So there you go. So there we have it. So there's now my mobile phone is in here. Okay, and it's not so easy to access stuff at the bottom over here, but it'll basically hold your phone in place. And when they say it's 360 rotatable, that's what they mean. So you can put it horizontally like that onto your bike. So there you have it, folks. That was the unboxing and a look at how to actually use the TARKAN mobile phone holder. Okay, I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.